Hey everyone, welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 7th, 2025, we're taking a close look at Bitcoin, symbol BTCUSD. We're going to analyze recent news events and then dive into the charts to understand where Bitcoin might be heading. First, let's address some of the headlines. News sources indicate Bitcoin has fallen below $80,000 amidst a global market downturn, partially influenced by Trump's tariffs and fears of a Black Monday scenario. However, some analysts suggest this dip presents a buying opportunity, citing Bitcoin's resilience and potential decoupling from traditional markets like stocks and gold. There is also discussion about potential stablecoin legislation and its effects on the market. This is a lot to digest, so let's look at the charts. Alright, let's start with the daily chart. We're looking at candlestick data stretching back to late 2023. We can see a significant upward trend throughout 2024, peaking around March 2025. However, recently, we've observed increased volatility and a price decline. Zooming in a little, let's examine the period around March 2025 more closely. We see Bitcoin reached highs near $73,000 before experiencing a sharp correction. This volatility likely reflects the market's reaction to the tariff announcements and overall economic uncertainty. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of the recent price action. Here, we can pinpoint the immediate impact of the news events from the past few hours. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see Bitcoin is currently trading around $78,232 with relatively low volume. This may indicate uncertainty and indecision in the market, a possible result of the conflicting news and expert opinions. Support appears to be forming around the $77,000 level. A break below this could signal further downside, while a sustained hold could lead to a bounce back toward $80,000. So, what are the key levels to watch? On the downside, the $77,000 level is critical in the short term. On the upside, breaking above $80,000 would be a bullish signal, potentially leading to a retest of previous highs. The likelihood of either scenario depends heavily on upcoming economic data and any further news regarding tariffs or stablecoin regulations. Be aware that expert analysts believe this current Black Monday could be worse than that of 1987. Remember to always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching. Explain the Charts.